Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Spectre 13. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users have reported that their HP Spectre 13 only charges if they hold the cable at a certain angle. This issue typically arises due to a damaged charging port, which can lead to further complications if not addressed promptly. Ignoring this problem may result in a complete failure to charge, leaving you unable to use your device when you need it the most. For this repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement charging port specifically designed for the HP Spectre 13. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel using your precision screwdriver. Take care, as some screws may be different sizes. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel, being cautious not to damage any internal components. Once the back is off, locate the charging port. It is usually situated near the connection point of the power cable. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Carefully disconnect any cables connected to the charging port using your tweezers, ensuring you do not pull on the wires. Now, remove any screws securing the charging port in place. Once free, gently lift the charging port out of its socket. Take your new charging port and place it into the same position, securing it with screws. Reconnect any cables that were previously disconnected. Once everything is in place, carefully replace the back panel of your HP Spectre 13, ensuring that it fits snugly. Reinsert and tighten all screws to secure the back panel. Before closing up completely, you may want to test the charging functionality by plugging in your device. If it charges correctly, you've successfully replaced the charging port. If it still doesn't work, double-check your connections and screws. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to avoid excessive bending of the charging cable and ensure that it is properly inserted into the port each time. This will help maintain the integrity of your charging port over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.